Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your bank account, and realizing your savings suddenly don't feel safe anymore. The prices of groceries keep rising. Credit card debt is at record highs. Layoffs are spreading, and millions of Americans are quietly asking the same question. Is another financial crisis coming? For many families across the United States, life has become more expensive than ever. Every trip to the grocery store feels like a surprise. Rent keeps climbing. Mortgage payments are higher than they were just a few years ago. And even people with good jobs are finding it harder to save money. This isn't just about inflation. It's about something much bigger. Economic experts continue to debate what comes next. Some believe the economy will remain resilient. Others warn that risks are building beneath the surface. While no one can predict the future with certainty, many financial indicators deserve attention. History has shown that financial downturns often catch people by surprise, not because there were no warning signs, but because many ignored them. Think back to previous economic crises. Many people believed everything was fine until it wasn't. Jobs disappeared, businesses closed, retirement accounts lost value, families struggled to pay their bills. The biggest mistake wasn't the crisis itself. It was believing it could never happen. Today, Americans owe trillions of dollars in mortgages, auto loans, student loans, and credit card debt. At the same time, many households have little emergency savings. When debt rises faster than financial security, even a small economic slowdown can put pressure on millions of families. But here's the good news. Financial preparation isn't about living in fear. It's about making smart decisions before problems become emergencies. The people who come through difficult economic times the strongest are often the ones who prepare early, not the ones who panic later. In this video, we'll explore some of the economic warning signs that many people are watching, simple steps that can strengthen your finances, and practical habits that may help you stay more prepared, whatever the economy does next. This isn't about predicting doom. It's about being informed, staying calm, and making better financial decisions. So take a deep breath, because what you're about to learn could help you think differently about your money and your future. Let's begin. At first glance, everything may seem normal. Highways are full, stores are open, restaurants are busy. Millions of Americans go to work every day believing tomorrow will look just like today. But history has taught us that economies don't change overnight. Small warning signs often appear long before the headlines catch everyone's attention. One of the biggest concerns for families is the rising cost of everyday life. Groceries, utilities, insurance, and housing have all become more expensive over the past few years. Even though inflation has slowed from its peak, many prices remain much higher than they were before. When everyday expenses rise faster than incomes, households often have less money left for saving or investing. To keep up with higher living costs, some families rely more heavily on credit cards. Using credit isn't always a bad thing, but when balances grow faster than they can be repaid, interest charges can make financial stress much worse. A small debt today can become a much bigger burden over time if it isn't managed carefully. Another warning sign people watch is the job market. Even during periods of economic growth, some industries experience hiring freezes or layoffs. Businesses often become more cautious when they expect slower demand. For workers, this is a reminder that no job is guaranteed forever. The stock market can also be unpredictable. Some days it reaches new highs, other days it falls sharply. Daily market swings don't necessarily mean a recession is coming, but they remind investors that markets can change quickly. Successful investors understand that emotional decisions often lead to costly mistakes. For many Americans, the real challenge isn't what happens on Wall Street. It's what happens at the kitchen table. Can the monthly bills be paid? Is there enough money for emergencies? What happens if unexpected medical expenses or job loss occur? These are the questions that matter most. Financial resilience isn't built during a crisis. It's built before one. Every dollar saved today can provide more flexibility tomorrow. Even small, consistent savings habits can make a meaningful difference over time. No one knows exactly what the next year will bring. The economy may continue to grow, or it may face new challenges. The future is uncertain. So if warning signs exist, What practical steps can everyday Americans take right now to strengthen their financial future? That's exactly what we'll explore next. The truth is, you can't control inflation, you can't control interest rates, and you certainly can't control what happens in the stock market. But you can control how prepared you are. Financial security isn't about predicting the future, it's about being ready for whatever the future brings. The first step is simple, but incredibly powerful. Know where your money goes. Many people work hard every month but have no clear idea how much they're actually spending. Creating a budget doesn't mean giving up everything you enjoy. It means making sure your money is working toward your goals instead of disappearing without a plan. Next comes something every financial expert talks about: an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are a part of life. A car repair, a medical bill, or even a temporary job loss can happen without warning. Having money set aside for emergencies can reduce stress and help you avoid taking on expensive debt when life throws you a surprise. Another smart move is to pay close attention to high-interest debt. Credit cards can be useful when managed responsibly, but carrying large balances month after month can make it much harder to build wealth. Reducing expensive debt can free up more of your income for saving and investing. Your income is one of your greatest financial assets. Investing in new skills, certifications, or education may increase future opportunities and make you more resilient if the job market changes. The strongest financial plan often includes investing in yourself. When markets become volatile, emotions often take over. Fear causes some people to sell at the worst possible moment. Excitement causes others to chase risky investments without understanding them. Long-term investing is usually built on patience, discipline, and a clear plan, not on panic or hype. Real wealth isn't only measured by the number in your bank account. It's measured by peace of mind. Knowing that your family can handle unexpected challenges is one of the greatest financial achievements anyone can have. America has faced economic challenges before. History shows that difficult times eventually pass. Businesses recover, jobs return, markets adapt. Those who stay informed, avoid emotional decisions, and continue building healthy financial habits are often in a stronger position when the recovery begins. So, what's the biggest lesson from all of this? It's not to panic. It's to prepare. Because the choices you make today could have a lasting impact on your financial future. As we come to the end of this journey, remember one important truth. No one, not economists, investors, governments, or financial experts, can predict the future with complete certainty. Markets rise, markets fall, economies grow, economies slow down. Uncertainty has always been part of life. What truly matters isn't whether a recession happens next month or next year. What matters is whether you're financially prepared to handle unexpected challenges. Preparation creates confidence. Confidence helps you make better decisions. Starting today, ask yourself a few simple questions. Do I know where my money goes each month? Am I saving consistently? Am I reducing unnecessary debt? Am I investing in my future? If the answer to even one of those questions is not yet, today is a great day to begin. Financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's built through small decisions repeated over months and years. One smart choice today can become a stronger future tomorrow. You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. You simply need to start. Remember, the people who stay calm during uncertain times are often the ones who prepared before uncertainty arrived. Don't let fear control your decisions. Let knowledge, planning, and patience guide your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple, practical, and reliable personal finance content designed to help you make smarter money decisions. Leave a comment below and tell us, what's the one financial habit you're working on this year? If this video helped you, share it with a friend or family member. It might encourage someone else to start preparing today. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.